Adil Raja will never be intimidated. He will never be intimidated. I know him personally. So that money is our money, your money. And so the army has a stranglehold on Pakistani politics. This court is unfortunate because a lot of money has been spent. It's shameful to do this kind of thing in out of a country. I think it's very unfortunate that the ISI are bringing Adil Raja to this court. It's shameful to do this kind of thing in out of a country. Pakistan is a very noble, prosperous country, and they are denouncing Pakistan abroad. I think that is wrong. And the army has a stranglehold on Pakistani politics. I think they should dissect themselves from the civilian politics. So I think I'm just watching what is going to happen. This court is unfortunate because a lot of money has been spent unnecessarily. Pakistan already doesn't have a lot of money to spend, so this is not really a right thing to do. I have to say that Pakistan has never been a democratic country. It has been always under the Raja. He hasn't actually answered the question, but I suspect that this money will be coming from the army of Pakistan. So that money is our money, your money. So that is unnecessarily spent abroad, And also taking a case in England, it's very unusual actually. They should have tried him in Pakistan if they wanted to. Why should Adil Raja will never be intimidated. He will never be intimidated. I know him personally. He's a friend of mine. He is not really going to be intimidated, or any army, ISI, political situation, politicians, putting a lot of pressure on him. I think he is a very nice, independent thinker. He's an independent journalist. He will not, deviate from the truthfulness.